Hello everyone, today I'm gonna unboxing my quick release for my airbrush. So this is the package. I'm gonna cut this open, okay? And then okay. This is the quick release. I've ordered 4 of them actually. Oh, 5 actually, I'm sorry. So let's just try this with my airbrush. So this is the airbrush quick release. You can pull this down, okay, and it comes out, okay, this way. You just put this in. You can, if you pull this down, if you push the side, this one, I hope you can see it clearly. Yeah, okay. So this one will go in the airbrush, okay. So this is the airbrush. Oh wow, that's a big problem there. This one is bigger than this. So the airbrush hose is smaller, and then my quick release hose is bigger. So there's a big problem here. So we need to find out how to fix this. Okay. Okay, anyways, this is not working. But these are the 5 quick release that I've ordered, and it is not working. Anyway, subscribe this channel for more videos. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.